Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple, casual makeup look that's perfect for daily wear. It's quick, lightweight, and enhances your natural beauty without feeling heavy on your skin. Plus, I'll be sharing all the products I use along with affordable options you can try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you never miss my new uploads. Comment below your favorite daily makeup product. I'd love to know what you're using. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepping the skin. First, we need to prep the skin because a smooth base makes all the difference. I always start with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, which is lightweight, fragrance-free, and enriched with ceramides and hyaluronic acid to keep the skin hydrated throughout the day. On top of that, I never skip sunscreen, and my favorite is the Roche-Posay Anthelios Invisible Fluid SPF 50. It's a broad-spectrum sunscreen that feels weightless, doesn't leave a white cast, and layers beautifully under makeup. Step 2. Base makeup. For the base, instead of a heavy foundation, I prefer something breathable like the Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint with vitamin C. This product evens out the skin tone, provides a fresh glow, and is comfortable for daily wear. If I need extra coverage under my eyes or over blemishes, I go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's lightweight but buildable, blends easily, and gives a natural finish. Step 3. Setting the base. To keep everything in place and prevent shine, especially on the T-zone, I lightly set my base with the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder, which is known for its oil control formula without making the skin look cakey. Step 4. Brows. Next, I focus on the brows. For a natural but defined look, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It has a fine tip that makes it easy to mimic real hair strokes, and the spoolie on the other side helps blend everything seamlessly. Step 5. Eyes. For the eyes, I like to keep things very simple. Most days I just curl my lashes and apply the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, which gives the perfect balance of length and volume without clumping. If I want a little extra definition, I'll use a soft brown shade from the Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette in the crease. But this step is totally optional. Step 6. Cheeks. For the cheeks, I love using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. It has a beautiful peachy tone with a slight sheen that gives the skin a fresh, healthy glow, making it perfect for everyday wear. If I want to add a little warmth, I dust on some of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which has a smooth texture, blends effortlessly, and smells amazing too. Step 7. Lips and final touches. Finally, for the lips, I go with something light and hydrating. My go-to options are the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint, which gives a natural flush of color that lasts all day, or the NYX Butter Gloss, which feels soft, smooth, and adds the right amount of shine without being sticky. To finish everything off, I spritz a little ELF Dewy Coconut Setting Mist over my face. This not only sets the makeup, but also gives a radiant, fresh look that lasts longer throughout the day.